Hello everyone, so I've just walked into Dollar Tree and I thought that we would have all the fall things at least, even if not Halloween but fall, but it looks like it's just the floral. And I don't even think, nope, they don't even have any of the decorative mesh. So this will change over, I'm sure, in a couple days. Back to school is not as much as it usually is either, so this looks like a nice expanding document folder. Oh, a 10 pocket organizer. I think I might grab this, a pretty good value. Some Westcott scissors, little notebooks and journals. Again, not the normal variety that you would typically see, or maybe a lot of things have already sold out or they haven't been put out, I'm not sure. But some Disney themed things. Oh, these are cute pencil cases. And little containers. These are normally in the craft area. These are a little bit smaller squared cubes. Oh, these are neat. They clip into one another. 3. I feel like some of this party supply, the little loop bags or paper bags, are new. These are new prints, I feel like. They have little triangles in the back here. I'm not sure if you can see that, or it looks like little flags. These are favor boxes, the mini ones. Yeah, I think that these are newer colors, some of them, and newer prints. Really pretty gift bags. And these are new. So cute. Happy birthday. I love these inflatable decor. And some paper bags. Different prints, very vibrant, nice colors. These are actually really cute, and you can cut them up and use them as table confetti. There's the blue and the pink, or purpley pink. Just going to take a look down by the wedding decor and see if there's anything that stands out as being craft material. These are only 2 pieces in a pack, and they are magnetic. Yeah, I mean, you can remove the magnet and use the hearts, but I think they have a better value pack usually in the craft aisle with more hearts. These are pretty. And these have zippered tops. I feel like this is new party decor. Now you can use this for a birthday, but also a sports type party as well. Such beautiful tissue paper. Now keep in mind you can use this for decoupaging. I've transformed just a simple white shoebox and used some of their tissue paper. Such pretty prints to match my craft room, and I absolutely love the box. Another little package. So these have 8 in a pack. Some really pretty prints. It's hard to go through here. Oh, I like these ones too. Very nice. Some of my favorites things from Dollar Tree is the tumbling tower blocks to make DIYs, and I've done a few things on the channel with them and they work so beautifully. I actually wanted to see if they had any little silver pots and pans for a mini kitchen. Oh, they have some. Oh yeah, no, I think they've been out for a while, the Barbie accessories. But oh, these are cute. Yeah, I don't see any pots and pans either. These are new, and they're made by Greenbrier. typically made by Dollar Tree to be carried. I just wish that they had some with the little mazes and puzzles. These are all coloring books, but they're perfect for a travel package. You know, every time I come to Dollar Tree, I have to inspect their craft materials and see if there's anything new. See, foam adhesive, some other one. Oh, I've been meaning to ask you, has anyone tried the oil pastels and have you been happy with them, or even the little acrylic tubes? There's wood glue. Has anyone tried this? I'm sure it would work well with the little tumbling tower blocks. Oh, this is new. Like a drip effect. Dropper. Some new wood pieces. The little peg, craft wood doll pegs. Wonder what I could do with those. Well, these are great little mats, and you can put together like 4 of them and make a bigger cutting space. But I think that's pretty good little value. Oh, they have the large popsicle sticks. That's awesome. I was thinking actually I needed these to make a DIY, so I'm really happy to see these here. Some other random things here. One of my favorite items, I always pointed out, the glue and residue eraser. If you're a paper crafter and a glue gun user, the little finger protectors are awesome. Anything that stands out to you guys? Do you have most of these things in your store? Oh, these are kind of a newer glow bead, but oh, it looks like it's only this one color. I love my piercing tool. This thing is amazing, and so is the stylus. Now, yeah, gold. Oh no, foil leaf only in silver. I used gold recently on a DIY, and it worked really well. Oh, these are. I think these are a newer set. Before they used to be more of a variety package, and now it looks like there's like 3 or 4 pieces in each. The little jewelry bead tray. Oh, these are glass actually, frosted beads. Check this out. So this is in the form of a mouse pad, but it's actually paper, and there's 40 pieces per pad. I think this is fantastic. It was just easier to pull them out like this. So there are 3 styles, and I actually like this one the best. The top one. Which one do you like better? I'm noticing that this brand here is popping up through Dollar Tree, and I think it's a well-known brand. I'll go through the stationery. These are cute. Let's see if there's anything that stands out to me, because between crafts and the stationery aisle, there is always something that sneaks into my basket. So I have to be honest that I own pretty much all of these pens. These might look a little newer. The glitter, I'm not sure how they work, and the gel pens, but otherwise I have to go through some of these and review them for you. These are normally stored, or they come out with new colors for back to school, and these are perfect as little kits, especially if you have a rolling cart. They organize pens and pencils fairly easily. I'm just going to go through the stickers and see. Ooh, they have some new ones. Yeah, they have some cute 3D kind of stickers. So I'll go through these. Oh, that's a cute little ice cream cone. And check out what's new. Beach theme. Oh, the monkeys are cute. These little flowers are really great if you're into junk journaling or paper crafting. There's the monkeys and the llamas. I have a feeling we'd seen those before. And then they have some letter stickers. These are pretty. It's a purple hue. I like the blue ones. They're kind of like a teal color. And these are new trays, Mr. and Mrs. I don't know if you can see that, and it has a gold rim. Oh, the mermaid tails are back. I have a couple of these in my craft room. I think they're so pretty. This is cute too, even as a little glue gun dish. You always need something to lay your gun on. That would work nicely. Oh, I didn't think that we would see these here. How fun. There's a whole stack of them. So a few of my stores have like the craft dedicated aisle, and then they have more of like the crafts wreath making, and they have these beautiful ribbons here. Those are new, and then the wired ribbon here as well is new. And then of course you're going to find a lot of like the moss and the wreath making stuff, little lights. Oh, these are new. They look real from afar, but they're just a thin piece of, oh my goodness, that's so crazy. It really did trick my eyes. Anyways, they have some new vases. I was kind of spotting these from a distance. Do you see them? They have this little chalk piece on here. I'm not a huge fan, but oh, and those are nautical cute ones. I almost zoomed right past this. I was coming down the aisle, and then something caught my attention, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's a glimpse finally of fall items. We are so behind in our stores. So I was really happy to turn around and kind of spot these. So pretty. Anyways, I'll go through them here. These, I think, were the last year's version of pumpkins, but there's a new version out there. These are new. These would be cute too as a little hot glue tray. Tons of things. Oh, very orangey. I think I like the white one, and I might grab this one. I think it's just cute. Even for, I don't know, I wonder if I could put sugar or something in it in the fall. Little pumpkins. Oh, and they have new cups, new coffee cups. Okay, so I really do have to go through the napkins here. These plates match. I'm not a huge paper plate user, but I would like to decoupage with the little paper napkins. Oh, are these teal? I just zoomed past these two, sorry. I'm so excited. Are these? No, they're not tea light holders. I thought they were.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love?
So that was part 1 of the Dollar Tree walkthrough. I will leave you with part 2 as well. And just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I'm also going to be posting the rest of that Miniso walkthrough. It's been a while, sorry, I apologize. Somebody reminded me I'd never posted it. So I'm just going to release that onto the channel as well. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
Who lost their hope?